At Tantec, we consider ourselves as a close-knit team with big achievements. We know that our solutions make a difference in the daily operations of your industry, which is why Tantec sets our standards high when it comes to reliability and efficiency. This has made Tantec the top manufacturer of ready-made plasma and corona systems. We also know that your industry is always progressing forward, and so should our solutions. As a result, innovation is a big part of what we do at Tantec, and we've been doing it since 1974. With more than 4,000 custom surface treatment solutions delivered over the past 40 years, our standards must and are continually being raised when it comes to maintaining our reputation as innovation leaders. That's why our solutions are so appreciated, and we are able to offer improved, more reliable results when it comes to coating, bonding, wetting, printing, painting, and cleaning. Headquartered in Denmark with our own U.S. office and represented in 30 countries, we deliver worldwide solutions to both end users and OEMs. So no matter where you are, we are always close by and able to offer that ready or custom-made solution your company needs. Tantec, a better way to solving your adhesion problems.